Welcome back, champions. Today we are going to continue this chapter and we complete exercise 11.4 and your chapter will be completed in this video. So let's start. Our first topic is conversion of units. What does conversion of units means? Suppose 1 centimeter. Now centimeter is 1 unit, and if you are going to convert it into millimeter, it means 10 millimeter. Means the value 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter. It's there that you are having an area of 1 centimeter square and they are asking you to convert it into millimeter. So value of 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So value of 1 centimeter square, here it means 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. So value of 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter means 100 millimeter square. So this is how we convert one unit into another unit. Now our next topic is application. So this topic we will study while solving the questions, that is how we apply the conversion of unit. Let's move directly to our exercise. So first question of exercise 11.4 is a garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. So let us understand it with the help of the diagram. Length and breadth are given. This means our garden is in rectangular shape. So let us first draw our garden. Suppose this is our garden. Next they are saying a path 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. So we will draw a path around it like this. So this is a path 5 meter wide around the rectangular garden. So our breadth is 75 and length is given to us 90 meter and this path is 5 meter. Now we need to calculate the area of the path and also find the area of garden in hectares. So you need to cover this of rectangle. So we will use the formula of area of rectangle. Written what is given to us. Length is given 90 meter, breadth is given 75 meter. So this is the length and breadth of the garden. This one garden. So now first we will calculate the area of the garden. So what is the formula? Length into breadth. So 90 into 75. 75 into 90. So we will write 0 at last directly. Now multiply it with 9. 9 5s are 45. 4 carry. 9 7s are 63 plus 4 67. So 6750 meter square is the area of the garden. Now we will calculate the area of the garden including path. First of all we need to calculate length of the garden including the path. So here our length was 90 meter. 1 minute. Okay. So this length was 90 meter till here. But we need length including the path. So this one part and this one part. This is 5 meter. This is also 5 meter. So 90 plus 5 plus 5 gives you 100 meter and this is the length of the garden including the path. In this manner we will calculate the breadth. This breadth is given to us 75. This portion and this portion is 5 meter each. So 75 plus 5 plus 5. So 75 plus 5 80 and 80 plus 5 85. The breadth of the garden including the path. Now we will calculate its area. So the formula of area is length into breadth. We will write the values 100 into 85. I hope you all know whenever we need to multiply a number with 100, we directly put 2 zeros at the last of that number. As I did here, 85 00, that is 8500 meter square is the area of the garden including the path. Now we need the area of this path. So we will subtract both the areas to get area of path. Area of path is equals to area of garden including path minus area of garden. So 8500 minus 6750, 0 minus 0, 0. Now here you can't subtract, so you will take carry, so this will become 10 and here it will 4, 10 minus 5, 5. Same process you will follow here, 7, 1 will go in carry, so 14 minus 7, 7 and 7 minus 6, 1. So 1750 meters square is the area of the path. And area of garden you have calculated earlier, so you will write this. But your question is saying you to find out the area of garden in hectares. So here we will use conversion and we will convert this meter square into hectare. So what is the value of 1 meter square is equals to 1 upon 10,000 hectare. So here we need to convert 6750 meter square into hectares. So you will divide it 10,000, this 0 will cancel out. So 0 into 0 cancel out. Now we are having 675 upon 1000, which means you need to put decimal after 3 digits counting from right hand side. So your answer will be 0.675 hectare. I hope this question is clear. Now let's move on to second question. Question number 2 is a 3 meter wide path runs outside and around a rectangular park of length 125 meter and breadth 65 meter. Find the area of path. So first of all we will draw rectangular part. We'll solve the question. So this is a rectangular park. They are saying 3 meter wide path runs around and outside the park. So means this will be like this. This is the path 3 meter wide. So now we will solve the question. We need to calculate this area, that is this area of the path. So we will calculate the area of this rectangular garden and area of garden including the path. So let's solve it. Length of the park is given 125 meter. Its breadth is given 65 meter. So we will use formula of area of rectangle. So length into breadth, in place of length I have written 125 meter, in place of breadth 65 meter. So we will multiply it, 125 into 65, 5 5 the 25, 2 carry, 5 to the 10 plus 2 12, 2 1 carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. Now we will multiply with 6, 6 5s are 30, 0 3 carry, 6 to the 12 plus 3 15, 5 1 carry, 6 1 is 6 plus 1 7, 5 2, 5 plus 6 11, 1 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8. So 8125 meters square is the area of path. Now next step is to calculate the breadth and length including path, and then we will calculate area of garden including path. So length of the park including the paths. Length of the garden was 125 meter, path is 3 meter, 3 meter this side, 3 meter this side. So we will add them. So 125 plus 3 gives you 131 meter. In the same manner you will calculate breadth. Now you will calculate area of path using formula length into breadth. So 131 into 71. 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. Now with the table of 7, 7 1s is 7, 7 3s are 21, 2 carry, 7 1s is 7 plus 2 9, 1 7 plus 3 10, 0 1 carry, 1 2 3 and 9. So 9301 meters square is the area of park including path. Now our next step is to calculate area of path. Area of path is equals to area of park including path, means this greater one rectangle, that is 9301 minus area of rectangular garden or area of rectangular park. Then we will subtract it, then you will get your answer 1176 is the required answer of the given question. Now let's move on to third question. Question third is, a picture is painted on a cardboard 8 cm long and 5 cm wide. Length of the cardboard is 8 cm and its breadth is 5 cm. Now next they are saying there is a margin of 1.5 cm along each of its sides. So this is the margin along the sides, and this inside here it is a picture. Suppose this is the painting. So this is the painting. Margin is there and cardboard is there. Now they are asking us to find out the total area of the margin. Now how this question is different from first and second question? फर्स्ट और सेकंड क्वेश्चन में क्या था, एक गार्डन गिवन था और उसके आउटसाइड पे एक पाथ बना था, बट ये क्वेश्चन में एक कार्डबोर्ड है और कार्डबोर्ड के अंदर पेंटिंग है। यहाँ पर जब आप पेंटिंग का एरिया फाइंड करोगे तो अब हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे, बिकॉज इस पूरे लेंथ में से आप मार्जिन को सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो आपको पेंटिंग की लेंथ और सेम वे पेंटिंग की ब्रेथ मिलेगी। अब लेट्स सॉल्व इट एंड अंडरस्टैंड इट। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज गिवन, हमको कार्डबोर्ड की लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ गिवन है। लेंथ 8 सेंटीमीटर दिया है, ब्रेथ 5 सेंटीमीटर दिया है। तो हम सबसे पहले कार्डबोर्ड का एरिया फाइंड कर लेंगे। सो एरिया ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड इज इक्वल्स टू लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ। इट्स लेंथ इज 8 सेंटीमीटर एंड ब्रेथ इज 5 सेंटीमीटर। So multiply it, 8 5s are 40 and centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So हमारे जो कार्डबोर्ड का एरिया है that is 40 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। अब हम पेंटिंग की लेंथ कैलकुलेट करेंगे, फिर पेंटिंग की ब्रेथ कैलकुलेट करेंगे और फिर हम क्या करेंगे, पेंटिंग का एरिया फाइंड करेंगे। सो लेट्स डू इट। लेंथ ऑफ इनर कार्डबोर्ड मतलब पेंटिंग जितने एरिया में पेंटिंग हुई है उसकी लेंथ 8 सेंटीमीटर माइनस 1.5 इंटू 2। अब हमने इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई क्यों किया, बिकॉज मार्जिन दोनों साइड पे था, इधर भी और इधर भी। सो 1.5 इंटू 2 गिव्स यू 3। सो 8 माइनस 3 गिव्स यू 5। तो इनर कार्डबोर्ड की लेंथ आ गई 5 सेंटीमीटर। इन द सेम मैनर हमने ब्रेथ कैलकुलेट करी है, 5 माइनस 3 2 सेंटीमीटर। अब हम इनर कार्डबोर्ड का एरिया कैलकुलेट करेंगे, देन विल फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ मार्जिन। Area of inner rectangle, length and breadth we have calculated. We'll put the values. 5 centimeter into 2 centimeter gives you 5 2s are 10 centimeter square. Now area of margin. Area of margin means area of cardboard, that is 40 centimeter. 40 minus area of inner rectangle, that is 10. So 40 minus 10 gives you 30 centimeter square, and this is the required area, that is the total area of the margin. I hope you are getting these questions. If you are finding any difficulty while understanding, please comment in the comment box so that I can improve in my next video. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. A veranda of width 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside a room which is 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. So what is given? A veranda is given. This is veranda, and they are saying a width 2.25 meter is constructed all around it. Means this is the width 2.25 meter all around the veranda. Now what a question is asking, first they are saying us to find the area of veranda. So first of all we will write what is given to us. Room and breadth of the room is given to us. I have written that. Now we need this one area, this area of veranda. For this area what we will do, we will find the outer area, that you can see here both are in the rectangular form. One is big rectangle and second is small rectangle inside it. So what we will do, when we are going to subtract a smaller area, this small area rectangle from bigger area, the area which will be left, this one area will be the area of veranda. I think you are getting why in earlier questions also first we were finding outer length, outer breadth and then calculating that area. तो आपको क्या करना है, बड़े वाले रेक्टेंगल में से छोटे वाले रेक्टेंगल को जब आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो जो बीच का एरिया बचेगा वो होगा एरिया ऑफ वरांडा। सो छोटा वाला रेक्टेंगल यहाँ पे क्या है, रूम, और बड़ा वाला रेक्टेंगल होगा वो ब्रेथ ऑफ रूम इंक्लूडिंग वरांडा। तो हम इसको कैलकुलेट करते हैं सबसे पहले एरिया ऑफ रूम। सो एरिया ऑफ रूम इज इक्वल्स टू लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ। Length is given to us 5.5 meter and breadth is 4 meter. So 4 5s are 20, 0 to carry. Again 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22. Meter into meter means meter square. Now we are having decimal and we are having one digit on the right hand side of decimal. So starting from right hand side, after one digit we will put the decimal. So 22.0 meter square, or you can say 22 meter square is the area of room. Now our next step is to find out the length of the room with veranda and same breadth of the room. Then we will calculate the area of this outer rectangle. To find out the length, what is the length of inner room? 5.5. This is 5.5. Now we need to add this area, 2.25 this side and 2.25 this side. Then we will get length of this outer rectangle. So 2.25 plus 2.25, or directly multiply 2.25 with 2. So 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 and 2 2s are 4. So 4.50, or directly you can add 4.50 to 5.5. So let's add it to find the length, then we will find breadth. Plus 5, 10, 0, 1 carry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0, 1 carry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10.00 meter is length of the veranda, or you can say 10 meter is the length of veranda. Now in the same manner we will calculate breadth, but now when we are going to calculate breadth, we will add 2.25 2 times to 4. So 4 plus 2.25 plus 2.25 so add them. 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1 carry, 2, 4, 5. 0.4567 So 8.50 is the breadth. So 8.50 meter is breadth. Now we need to calculate the area of room including veranda. So what is the length and what is breadth? Length is 10 and breadth is 8.50. So 10 into 8.50, multiply it. 8500, because when we need to multiply with 10, simply what we do, we increase a number of 0. But now in a question we were having decimal, so a decimal is after 2 digits. So here from right hand side we will put decimal after 2 digits. So our answer is 85 meter square. We are having both area of room including veranda and area of room. Now we will subtract them to find area of veranda. Area of veranda is 85 meter square minus 22. So 5 minus 2, 3 and 8 minus 2, 6. 63 meter square is area of veranda. We need to find cost of cementing the floor of veranda at the rate 200 per meter square. So we got the area 63, we need to multiply it with 200. Simply what we will do, we will multiply it with 2 और लास्ट में 2 0 लगा देंगे. So 2 3 is 6 and 6 2 is 12 और 2 6 is 12 और लास्ट में आपको क्या करना है, 2 0 लगाने हैं. So rupees 12,600 क्या है cost of cementing. Question number 5. A question says a path 1 meter wide is built along the border and inside a square garden. Having a square garden. Suppose this is your square garden. Now in this question they are saying the path is built inside the garden. So this means this is 1 meter inside. Earlier what we did? In earlier questions we were making path outside, but now here path is inside. Now what a question is saying, the area of path. So same thing we will do. First we will calculate the area of garden, that is this bigger square. Then area of garden excluding the path. Earlier we were including, now we will exclude the path. Then we will calculate the area of this inner square. फिर हम उन दोनों एरियाज को माइनस कर देंगे और एरिया ऑफ पाथ आ जाएगा. क्या करना है, सबसे पहले एरिया गार्डन का फाइंड करेंगे, फिर एरिया ऑफ गार्डन एक्सक्लूडिंग पाथ, मतलब पाथ को हटा के जो बाकी का बचा एरिया उसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे, फिर माइनस करके एरिया ऑफ पाथ निकालेंगे. सो लेट्स सॉल्व इट. So first of all we are going to calculate area of a square garden. So what is the formula of area of square? Side is square, which means side into side. So what is the side of this square? 30 meter. It is given in our question. So 30 into 30 means 3 3s are 9 and 2 zeros at last. So 0 0, 900 meter square is the area of garden. Now we will calculate length of side excluding path. So what we are going to do, in a question they have said 1 meter path is built. So this is 1 meter, this is 1 meter. Now you are going to subtract 1 and 1, that is you will subtract 2 from 30 to get this one side. So let's write it. Now length of the garden excluding path, so 30 meter minus 2 into 1, because 1 is from this side and 1 is from this side. So 30 minus 2 gives you 28. So 28 meter is the length of the garden excluding the path. Now we will calculate this area. So again we are going to use same formula, side into side. So 28 into 28. Now if you don't know these squares, I'll put the link in the description box. Go through there and learn these squares till 30. So here that will save your time. Now if you know the square of 28, you will directly write 784 meter square. If you don't know, you are going to use this traditional method. Okay, so now let's calculate area of the path. Area of path is area of garden minus area of garden excluding path. So let's subtract it. 900 minus 784. So 1 carry, here you will take, this will become 8. So this is 10. Now again you are going to give a carry, so this will become 10 and here it's 9. So now let's subtract it. 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 8 1, 8 minus 7 1. So 116 meter square is the area of path. Now first part we have done, second part is cost of planting. So we'll find it. Cost of planting the remaining portion at the rate 40 per meter square. So first of all we will write the area which we need to find. They are saying the remaining area means the area excluding the path. So area excluding the path is this one, 784 meter square. So we will multiply rate with the area. Now let's multiply it. This we can do directly, so no need to write it in a traditional form. Directly multiply with 4 and write 0 at last. So 4 4 is 16, 6, 1 carry, 4 8 is 32 plus 1, 33, 3 carry, 7 4 is 28, 28 plus 3, 31. So 31360 is the cost of planting the remaining portion. I hope you are getting these questions. Now let's move on to our next question. Now our sixth question is saying two crossroads, each of which 10 meter, cut a right angle through the center of a rectangular part. Let's first draw it to understand it more clearly. Like this, they are saying two crossroads, each of which 10 meter, means the width of this crossroads is 10 meter. This is 10 meter. Next they are saying rectangular park of length 700 meter. The length of rectangular park is 700 meter and breadth is 300 meter. Find the area of roads. We need to find this area. Now see, when I am drawing this one area is coming 2 times, this middle one area, this is coming 2 times. Now let's start it, how you are going to find it. Now see, when we are going to find out area of this one road, this road. See, this is in the form of rectangle. They have given us width, means length and breadth, two things we need whenever we calculate the area of rectangle. So here they clearly mentioned that its width, this one side is 10 meter and this side is equals to the outer side of the rectangle, so means 300 meter. So we can calculate the area of this road by the given measurement. So let's calculate it first, then we'll calculate the area of second road, this one road. When you are going to calculate the area of second road, this, so here also same thing we'll do. How? They have said that the width is 10 meters, so means this one side is 10. If this is 10 and this one length you can say will be equal to this one side, means this is 700. Now when we are going to calculate these both areas, as I told you just now, this one area is going to come twice, this middle area will come twice, and now see how you are going to recognize which shape is it. Square. Now how I got to know it is a square, because they told us the width is 10, this is 10 from this and this is 10 from this. So now all four sides are equal, so this is forming a square. Now we'll calculate all these three areas, then we'll get the area of both the roads. So let's calculate them. To calculate area of road which is parallel to the length, that is area of this road. So here length is 700 meter, width is 10 meter. We'll put it in the formula 700 into 10. Need to multiply by 10, we simply increase our 0. So 700 multiplied by 10 gives you 7000 meter square. Now in the same manner, now we'll calculate length of the road parallel to breadth of the park, that is this one road. Road parallel to breadth of the park, breadth is given as 300 meter. So this length, it will be 300, width is given to us 10, so width is 10. Now we'll find out area of this road by putting in the formula length into breadth. So 300 into 10 gives you 3000 meters square. Now our next step is to calculate this common portion, area of this common portion. So this common portion is in the form of a square. I explained you in starting. So side into side, 10 into 10. So 10 tens are 100 meters square is the area of common portion. Now we'll calculate area of roads. Area of both the roads is equals to area of this first road which we calculated. Next area of second road 3000 meters square minus area of common portion. Why we are subtracting it? Because it is coming two times. Now 7000 plus 3000 gives 10,000 minus 100. So subtract it, 10,000 minus 100. 0, 0, here you will take carry. So this will become 10, 10 minus 1, 9, so 9. 9,900 meters square is the area of both the roads. Now they are saying us to give the answer in hectares. So we'll convert it. In starting of this video, I told you how to do conversion into hectares divided by 10,000. So 9,900 meters square divided by 10,000. So these two zeros will be cancelled out by these zeros. Now 99 divided by 100 means you need to put 0 after 2 digits from right hand side. So here 2 digits, 0.99 hectare is the area of both the roads. Next in a question they are saying also find the area of park excluding crossroads. That is, now you need to calculate area of the park, then we'll subtract area of roads to find it. Area of park is equals to length into breadth. Length is given to us 700 and breadth is 300. So 7 3s are 21. Now count the number of zeros. 2 zeros are here, 2 zeros are here. So put 4 zeros after 21. So 2,10,000 meters square. What we are going to do? We are going to find area of park excluding the roads. So what you will do in this? Now you are going to subtract this area of roads. So area of park excluding roads is equals to area of park minus area of roads. So 2,10,000 minus 9,900 gives you 2,100 meter square, but in a question they have asked you to give answers in hectares, so divide it with 10,000 to get your answer in hectares. So question number 7, through a rectangular field of length 90 meter and breadth 60 meter, two roads are constructed which are parallel to the sides and cut each other at right angle through the center of the field. The width of each road is 3 meter. Find the area covered by roads. Then second, we need to calculate cost of construction. Start solving. First we'll calculate area of this road, then we'll calculate area of this road. What are the measurements of rectangular field? 90 meter length and 60 meter breadth. So now let's calculate the area of roads. Calculate the area of the road which is parallel to the length. So this one road. So length of the road will be 90 meters, same as the length of the rectangular field. Now breadth is given to us 3 meter. So breadth is 3 meter. Now we'll use the formula of area of rectangle. So area of rectangle, or you can say area of this road, is equals to length into breadth. Length is 90 meter and breadth is 3 meters. So 9 3s are 27 and 1 0. So 270 meters square is the area of this road. Now in the same manner we'll calculate area of the second road. Now area of the road which is parallel to the breadth. So this one road, let me change the color. This one road. So here length is 60 meter and breadth is 3 meter. So 60 into 3, 6 3s are 18 and 1 0, 180 meters square. Now next thing we need to calculate is the common portion area, this one which is coming in both the roads. So area of common portion, why I have written 3 into 3? Because it is forming a square, width from this side and width from this side. So they are same. So 3 into 3, 9 meter square is the area of common portion. Now we'll calculate area of roads. Now area of two roads is 270 meter square plus 180 meter square that we calculated minus common portion. So 50 and 180 you will get 450. Now minus 9 from it, or I would say directly subtract 10, that is 440. We subtracted 1 extra, so added 441 meter square is the area of roads. And second part, they are asking us to calculate the cost of construction. So cost of construction into area, 110 into 441. If you know the table of 11, I hope you are a student of class 7, so you know table of 11. So we are going to multiply by it to get the answer. Write 0 at last, as we were having 0 here in 110. Now 11 ones are 11, 1 carry. 11 fours are 44 plus 1 5, 45. 4 carry. Now 11 fours are 44 plus 4, 48. So 48,510 is the cost of constructing the two roads. Now let's move on to our next question. Question number 8 says, Pragya wrapped the card around a circular pipe of radius 4 cm. So suppose this is your circular pipe and she wrapped that card around it like this. So this means the circumference of the circle. As you all know, outer boundary of the circle is known as circumference. Now what she did, she wrapped the same around a square box. Now first she wrapped around a circular pipe, then around a square box. Now they are asking, did she have any cord left? This means first we'll find out the cord wrapped around the circular pipe and the cord wrapped around square. Then we'll subtract it, and whatever is left will be the cord left with Pragya. So let's, length of cord is equals to circumference of circular pipe. So what is the formula of circumference? 2 pi r, 2 into pi into r. So pi in our question they are saying we need to take 3.14 and radius is given. Now we'll 4 centimeter. Now we'll multiply them to find the length of the chord. If I say you to calculate it in mind, you can do it. So do it with me. 2 4s are 8. Now we need to multiply 3.14 with 8. So 8 4s are 32. 3 carry. 8 1s are 8 plus 3 11. 1 carry. 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25. Now here it is decimal after 2 digits. So we'll put decimal after 2 digits from right hand side. So 25.12 centimeter is the length of the cord Pragya wrapped around a circular pipe. Now we'll find the length of the cord that is required for square box. To calculate perimeter of a square box, perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Side of a square is given to us 4. So 4 into 4, 16 centimeter. Now next we will subtract both the lengths to find out the remaining length that Pragya is having, or of the cord left with Pragya. We will subtract the length of cord required for square box from the length of the cord required for circular pipe. So 25.12 minus 16. So 0.12 will come directly. So 1 carry. 15 minus 6, 9. So 9.12 centimeter is the cord left. So in the question they were asking, did she have any cord left? So you'll write in such manner, yes, 9.12 centimeter cord is left. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 9 is, the given figure represents a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed. So here it is a rectangular lawn and a circular flower bed. So a question is saying, first part is find the area of whole land. That is, we need to calculate the area of rectangular lawn. So first of all we'll write length of the lawn and breadth of the lawn, then we'll put it in the formula. Length of the lawn is given to us 10 meter, its breadth is 5 meter. Lawn is in the form of rectangle, so we'll use formula area of rectangle length into breadth. So 10 into 5, 50 meter square. So first part completed. Now second part is area of flower bed, that is area of circle. Formula is pi r square, means 22 upon 7. R square is radius, which is given to us in the question 2 meter. So 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4. Now 4 into 22 gives you 88 upon 7. Divide it to find the area of flower bed. So 88 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 7, 1. This 8 will bring downside. So 7 2s are 14. 18 minus 14, 4. We'll put decimal 0 here. So 7 5s are 35. Then 5, then again you will put 0 with decimal, then 7 7s are 49. 1 remainder. So 12.57 centimeter is the approximate area of the square bed. Now third part, area of lawn excluding area of flower bed. So first of all write area of lawn 50 meter square minus area of flower bed 12.57. So let's subtract it. We'll take carry. So this will become 4. Here it will become 10. Now this 10 will give carry. So it will become 9. Here it will become 10. Again this will give 1 carry forward. So here it will become 9 and this 10. So 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 5, 4. Decimal. 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus 1, 3. So 37.43 meters square is the area of lawn excluding the area of flower bed. Now we'll find out its last part, that is circumference of the flower bed. Circumference of flower bed means circumference of circle. So we'll use formula 2 pi r. So 2 into pi means 22 upon 7 into r means 2. Again 2 2s are 4, 4 into 22, 88. So 88 upon 7 means we calculated it just now, 12.57. It's meter. Yeah, 12.57 meter is the circumference of the flower bed and area was 12.57 meter square. I hope you are getting the questions. Now let's move on to the 10th question. Question number 10th. In the following figure, find the area of shaded portions. In your book, you are having two figures, so we'll discuss one by one. So पहला फिगर ये है जिसमें हमको ये वाला एरिया फाइंड करना है, शेडेड पोर्शन. तो आप क्या करोगे, सबसे पहले आप इस रेक्टेंगल का एरिया फाइंड करोगे, फिर आप इस फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल का एरिया फाइंड करोगे, फिर सेकेंड ट्राइंगल का. इन दोनों के एरिया को आप इस रेक्टेंगल के एरिया में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो आपको इस शेडेड पोर्शन का एरिया मिल जाएगा. सो लेट्स फाइंड इट. we'll find area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Length is given to us 18 and breadth is 10. So in this side it is given 6 plus 4. So we did it, 6 plus 4 10, 18 into 10, 180 centimeter square. Calculate the area of these right triangles. So first we'll calculate area of this triangle. Let's name it triangle 1. So area of right triangle, I'm writing in bracket 1 so that you can identify it. So what is the formula? Half into base into height is equals to 1 upon 2 into base. What is base here? 6 centimeter. 6 into what is height? 10 centimeter. So into 10. Now 2 1s are 2 5s are. Now 5 and 6 are in multiplication. So 5 6 are 30. 30 centimeter square is the area of this first triangle. Now we will calculate area of second triangle. Again we'll use the same formula. So half into base into height, 1 upon 2 into base is 8 into height is 10. So 2 5s are 10. Now 5 8s are 40. So 40 centimeter square is the area of second triangle. Now we'll add the area of both the triangles and subtract it from the area of rectangle to calculate area of shaded portion. अब एरिया ऑफ टू ट्राइंगल्स, तो क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट वाले ट्राइंगल और सेकंड वाले ट्राइंगल के एरिया को ऐड कर देंगे. सो 30 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर प्लस 40 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर गिव्स यू 30 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो हमारे पास क्या आ गया, दोनों ट्राइंगल के एरिया का सम आ गया. अब हम शेडेड पोर्शन का एरिया निकालेंगे. कैसे, ये जो रेक्टेंगल का एरिया है 180 माइनस इसमें से ट्राइंगल्स के एरिया को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. सो 110 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर is the area of shaded portion. Now let's move on to the second part of this question. सेकेंड पार्ट में भी हमें क्या करना है, इस शेडेड पोर्शन का एरिया फाइंड करना है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले इस स्क्वायर का एरिया फाइंड करेंगे, फिर ये फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल का एरिया, फिर सेकेंड ट्राइंगल का एरिया, फिर थर्ड ट्राइंगल का एरिया. इन तीनों ट्राइंगल के एरिया को कैलकुलेट करोगे, देन विल फाइंड एरिया ऑफ ऑल थ्री ट्राइंगल्स. फिर हम उसे स्क्वायर के एरिया में से माइनस कर देंगे. सो व्हाट विल गेट विल बी द एरिया ऑफ दिस शेडेड रीजन. सो लेट्स सॉल्व इट. सो एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर PQRS is, what is the formula of area of square? Side square. So side square means 20 square here because side is 20. So 20 square means 400 or 20 into 20. Now we'll calculate area of first triangle. So area of first triangle is equals to half into base into height. So here its base will be 10 and height will be 20 because here it is 10 and 10 means side of squares are equal, so 20. So we'll put the values 1 upon 2 into 10 into 20. So 2 tens are 20 means 10 tens are 100. So 100 centimeter square is the area of first triangle. So this area is 100 centimeter square. Now same manner we'll calculate area of second triangle. So area of second triangle, same formula we'll use, half base into height. So 1 upon 2, base is 10 here into 10, height is also 10. So into 10, 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, 5 into 10, 50 centimeter square is the area of second triangle. Now we'll calculate area of third triangle. So for third triangle, base is 10 centimeter. So 1 upon 2 into 10. Height is 20 centimeter. So into 20. 2 tens are 20. 10 tens are 100 centimeter square is the area of third triangle. Area of QTU is equals to area of PQRS minus area of three triangles. So first we'll write their value. So I have written here 400 minus area of three triangles. Now we'll add them. So 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 50, 250. Now we'll subtract 250 from 400. So you will get 150, which is the required answer, that is area of shaded region. Question number 11. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. This is a quadrilateral ABCD and we need to find out its area. AC is its diagonal and is given 22 centimeter. BM and DN are perpendicular on AC and their measurements are given. So how we'll find the area of this quadrilateral? We can do one thing. We can calculate area of this first triangle and second triangle and add them to find the area of quadrilateral. So let's do it. Find area of triangle ABC, this one triangle ABC. So we'll use the formula of area of triangle, half base into height. Base is given to us 22 and height is 3. So we'll cancel it with 2, 2 ones are and 2 11s are. So 11 into 3, 33 centimeter square is the area of first triangle. In the same manner, we'll find out the area of triangle ADC. We'll do half into base into height. Base is 22, height is 3. It will cancel by 2 11 times. So 2 11s are 22. 11 into 3, 33 centimeter square. Now area of quadrilateral is sum of these two triangles. Quadrilateral is equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. We will add them and 33 plus 33 is equals to 66 centimeters square. So here your chapter is completed. I hope you are finding my videos helpful. If you find my videos helpful, please like, share and subscribe.